So today we're going to be painting a kitchen range hood. We are about halfway through this kitchen reno. It has had floors replaced, walls painted, kitchen cabinets done. We're going to be painting the splashback and the bench top, and the poor old range hood is looking like the ugly duckling in this beautiful swan that this kitchen is turning into. So it needs a bit of love. Enter heat safe paint. So this is specialty paint made to withstand up to 400 degrees Celsius in temperature and can be used for fireplace surrounds, the outside of ovens, range hoods, anything like that. It's not directly in contact with your food, but needs to withstand heat. This one is great because it requires no primer. It's just a little bit of specialty prep. So it needs a really thorough clean down. Make sure any grease and grime, anything that's left over is thoroughly cleaned off. And we're going to give it a wipe of metho to finish it to make sure no residues are left before we start the paint process. Only 2 coats of paint needed with 16 hours between each coat of paint to make sure it's fully cured, and a light stand before you start the next coat. Once you're finished painting, 1 week of dry time before you expose it to any heat, then you're good to go. Brand new range hood for the cost of a can of paint.